Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is May the 2nd, 2022. We're going to talk about Apecoin today, and I want you all to watch this, those who are Apecoin holders, right? I know that there was some confusion about some type of mint that went on with Apecoin. Guess what? The price chart for Apecoin actually told us already that where you need to get in and where you need to get out in terms of price action and where you can profit from. And I'm going to show you all what I talked about in my last video, as well as where I think the price in Apecoin is going to go next, so that we won't be scared, we won't be nervous, we won't question and say, why in the world is Apecoin going down? Because I'm going to address that today on this video. So hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to my channel if you guys appreciate the content that I'm creating, because I'm actually here providing everyone a heads up as to where I'm expecting the price to go without you all being confused. So check this out. I did a video in Apecoin right here. Okay, this is when we saw a climactic movement higher in price. You guys can see that the market was up 25% right here on April the 20th, right? So I did a video and I said, okay, cool, let's expect the price in Apecoin at that particular moment in time to continue to go up, and it did exactly that. Price in Apecoin went up. Now, I had our ultimate TP price come in around $20. It did 17.25% profitability was there. You all can see it though. Price in Apecoin almost attempted to make all-time highs, but it fell short. So if you was able to grab the bag around $27, then man, kudos, right? Because you called the top on that price move higher. You did a fantastic job, and that's around 61%. So you only got 17.25%, but that's cool. If you was able to get 61%, we both won. Good call. But now we need to come through and talk about what's really going on to the market now in Apecoin, because first things first, when a price breaks a trend, that simply means that the behavior of everyone who is involved in this market is switching. Right here, April the 18th is where the market flipped from just trading sideways to becoming more bullish. That's when the trend started going up. And when you see price break trend, you need to come in and talk. So looking at what happened here, I'm coming in and talk today. The price broke trend. Yes. So Apecoin is no longer bullish in this stance of what this prior trend was that started here on April the 18th. We cannot follow that trend anymore. It is broken. So now, considering that that's the case, what can we look forward to into the market at Apecoin now? Well, since that trend is broken, we may be in for a small stage of weakness or prices going down. Yes, prices going down. We might be in a stage for that. Let's talk. This is Apecoin on a 2-day. Okay, you guys can see the last 3 2-day price bars. The price spread has been a lot wider. It tells us how active the market was. These last 3 2-day price bars really tells us that people became active into this market in Apecoin, and rightfully so. If they was trying to do some type of mint, this is the reason. This is why we're seeing such a wide spread on these 3 current 2-day price bars. Now this current one that I just pointed the arrow to, that's weakness. And we have what, 12 hours and 57 minutes left, and we're still seeing weakness into the market in Apecoin. Now I think with this area right here, from a 2-day perspective, this is going to be restriction. Okay, right there around $18. Look for that area to be restriction as price tries to recover and go up. That is it right there. Now, is it possible that the price in Apecoin could still come in and hold support here? Because that's where my attention is. I got 2 price targets. The first is going to be around 14. I'm going to look for the buyers to try to approach the market in Apecoin around $14. Secondly, it's going to be around this trend line that I've just created. We can definitely see those buyers there. Okay. This is Apecoin, a 5-day. This is Apecoin on the weekly. This is massively weak. I mean, let's keep it real. Let's keep it a buck. Let's not act like the price weakness into the market in Apecoin did not happen here, because that is weakness. Massively weak. We saw highest volume since Apecoin was being traded on Binance. It came through last week, and the market was able to trade up there towards $30. I mean, $28, and we closed all the way in on the low. So if anything, if this weekly price chart is a bellwether of what's to come, it doesn't look that good for those looking for the price in Apecoin to go up. Okay, that doesn't look good at all. It's weakness. So let's go ahead and hit this back over on the daily. I think I've shown you what my expectations are. I'm looking for the price in Apecoin to go down. Okay, now the first price target I already mentioned. I already told you that we could possibly see the market in Apecoin go to 14 and the buyers step in. That gives us 9.25%. Okay, that's the best outcome that we could get in terms of this weakness that we're going through right now in Apecoin, is for us to see the buyers come in and prop up price at 14. That would be the best outcome. But if they don't, then I'm already in position on the next price target, which is going to be around $13, anywhere alongside this ascending line. Okay, anywhere alongside that ascending line. And that's around 19.85%. That's the next best outcome for us to see this market in Apecoin go, because it keeps us in line with the overall trend in this space. We break this trend, then the market in Apecoin is just going to consolidate in this arena, right? We're going to expect it to try to consolidate. So pay attention, and we all need to be looking at what price does on this ascending line. We have to see whether or not they're going to continue to maintain it. If they do, that's a positive sign. If they don't, then guess what? We're going to come down to around $10.50 to even $10. I'm just giving y'all a heads up. I'm just here predicting where I'm looking at price going. You might see price go totally different, which is cool, which is fine, which is why I got the comment section open. I want everyone to put their price target or price prediction with a comment below. Put it out there into the open so that everyone can see what you think, and we'll see which one is right. All right, so right now, as of this moment, looking for Apecoin to continue to go down. Two price targets. $14 is first. The second one is in and around my ascending line that I got drawn on the chart. And that's it. It's your turn now. Go ahead, take a quick second, drop me your price target with the comment below, and tell me where do you think the market is headed. All right, make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.